Neville Goddard's law of assumption says that the way you perceive yourself dictates the course of your life. In other words, your persistent assumptions shape your reality. For instance, if you hold the belief that you are not deserving of significant wealth or an abundant income, your life will reflect this, and you will face financial struggles. If you lack self-love, you may find yourself putting in a great deal of effort for very little financial reward. This is because your underlying assumption is that you are not worthy of abundance. Similarly, the law of assumption also applies to matters of the heart. If you believe deep down that you are unlovable, then this belief will become a self-fulfilling prophecy, keeping you from experiencing true love and meaningful relationships. But how does it work in practice? How can you cultivate positive assumptions and beliefs that will manifest your desires? And how can you become aware of the underlying assumptions that may be holding you back? In this video, we'll explore the law of assumption in detail and give you practical tips on how to use it to your advantage. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos from our channel. So without further ado, let's dive in. Neville Goddard's law of assumption, which was introduced almost a century ago, teaches us that our manifestations happen so effortlessly that we often fail to realize their occurrence. Goddard emphasized the fundamental illusion of life, where our assumptions manifest in the world seamlessly, leading us to believe that it would have occurred regardless of our beliefs. It is a phenomenon that occurs subtly, and we may credit the sequence of events that led to the fulfillment of our assumptions while remaining unaware of their actual cause. For instance, let's consider a man who is popular with women, and people may attribute his success to his physical appearance, wealth, or charm, rather than recognizing the underlying assumptions that contributed to his success. Similarly, a wealthy person may be viewed as successful merely based on their financial status without acknowledging the beliefs and assumptions that propelled them to that point. Unfortunately, it is unlikely that others will recognize the role of assumptions in one's success, and even if you apply this law to your life and experience its transformative power, you may still overlook the true cause and attribute your success to external events. Therefore, it is essential to understand that our assumptions and beliefs play a significant role in the manifestation of our desires. By cultivating positive assumptions and beliefs, we can manifest our goals effortlessly. This law works seamlessly, and we may not realize its occurrence, but we must recognize its impact on our lives to live more fulfilling and purposeful lives. In essence, the profound impact of the law of assumption can result in a sense of ignorance towards its role in your life, causing you to credit the series of events that led to your fulfillment instead. The law of assumption is inherent to life itself, and unless you become conscious of your thoughts and assumptions, it will continue to govern your reality. Even if you attempt to stop thinking or passing judgment, it's an unavoidable aspect of daily life that keeps you assuming throughout the day. Therefore, to exert some control over this law and manifest your desired outcomes, it's imperative to gain awareness of your assumptions and align them with your intentions. Our thoughts and assumptions have a powerful impact on the experiences we attract into our lives. If we hold negative thoughts and assumptions, we are more likely to experience negative outcomes. On the other hand, if we hold positive thoughts and assumptions, we are more likely to experience positive outcomes. When we are in a negative state of mind, we tend to focus on what we don't want to happen, which can lead to self-fulfilling prophecies. For example, if we are constantly worried about losing our job, we may start to make mistakes at work, which could ultimately lead to us being fired. Similarly, if we are in a negative relationship, we may start to see our partner's flaws more than their positive qualities, which could lead to the relationship breaking down. Conversely, if we focus on positive outcomes and assume that things will work out in our favor, we are more likely to attract positive experiences. This is because our thoughts and emotions have a vibrational frequency that attracts similar energies. When we feel optimistic, we emit a high frequency that attracts positive experiences toward us. The law of assumption is always in effect and cannot be halted or suspended. The law of assumption is always at work as long as you have thoughts. Therefore, it's wise to use it effectively to manifest your desired outcomes. However, when you successfully apply this law and achieve your dreams, people may not believe it due to your assumptions. Instead, they may attribute your success to good luck or other external factors. Others may claim that your success was simply a result of chance or external circumstances, ignoring the power of your assumptions. However, you will know that it was your assumptions that caused your success. Despite this, the profound transformation you experienced may cause you to doubt your agency in the matter. The law of assumption works in such a subtle and natural manner that you may convince yourself that your success would have happened regardless of your assumptions. However, this is not the case, as your assumptions shape your reality. If you want to become wealthy, for instance, the law will not simply give you money without changing you as a person. The process of transformation will be so profound that you may not even recognize yourself once you achieve your desired outcome. It's crucial to remain aware and vigilant, because it's easy to slip back into old patterns of thought and misuse the law, manifesting negative experiences in our lives. Since you cannot avoid using this law, it's essential to use it wisely. Applying the law of assumption involves a few practical steps that can help you achieve clarity of intention, visualization, and emotional alignment. We'll discuss each step in more detail. Step 1. Define your desired outcome clearly. The first step in applying the law of assumption is to define your desired outcome clearly. Having a clear idea of what you want is essential to successful manifestation. Vague or confused intentions can lead to confusion in manifestation. Be specific about what you want and write it down if necessary. Clarity of intention is the key to successful manifestation. Step 2. Enter the alpha state. Once you have defined your desired outcome, the next step is to enter the alpha state. The alpha state is a relaxed, meditative state where you feel calm and at ease. It is a state where you are open to receiving the thoughts and feelings necessary to manifest your desires. To enter the alpha state, you can lie down and allow yourself to relax as much as possible. You can also try deep breathing exercises or meditation to help you relax and enter this state. Step 3. Visualize a short scene. The next step is to visualize a short scene that implies the fulfillment of your desire. The scene should be in first-person view, making it as real as possible in your mind, as though it's happening right now. For example, if you desire more money, you can visualize someone dear to you congratulating you on your newfound wealth. You can imagine your mother or your best friend hugging you or being genuinely happy for you. The more vivid and detailed the visualization, the better. Step 4. Feel the emotions. The next step is to feel the emotions associated with the fulfillment of your desire. This step is crucial because emotions are the language of manifestation. When you experience the emotions associated with your desired outcome, you send out a vibration that attracts that outcome to you. You can achieve this feeling by focusing on the details of the scene and the emotions they evoke. For example, if you are visualizing a scene where you have just received a promotion, feel the excitement, joy, and gratitude that come with that achievement. Step 5. Go to sleep in that state. Finally, when you feel satisfied with your desire, go to sleep in that state. Replay the scene over and over until it feels like it's happening right now. To ensure that you can quickly fall asleep when you want, it is preferable to perform this practice 30 minutes before going to bed. When you go to sleep in that state, your subconscious mind continues to work on manifesting your desires even while you sleep. The law of assumption is a powerful tool that requires practice and patience to master. Here are some additional tips that can help you apply this law more effectively. Use affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that help you reprogram your subconscious mind. Use affirmations that are aligned with your desired outcome to reinforce your intentions and beliefs. Gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can help you manifest your desires more quickly. Practice gratitude daily by focusing on the things you are thankful for, and this will help you attract more positive experiences into your life. Act as if your desired outcome has already happened. This means living as if you have already achieved your goal. For example, if you desire to start a business, start acting as if you already have a successful business. This will help you align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your desired outcome. If you manage to impress your subconscious mind with this technique, you will wake up the following day feeling completely satisfied, as if your desired outcome has already been achieved. This will satiate your desire. You can perform this exercise repeatedly or stop once you feel content, and a sequence of events will unfold, ultimately leading to the realization of your goal. However, keep in mind that the outcome may vary depending on the magnitude of your desire. If you desire to acquire millions, you can manifest it through this law. However, to attain such wealth, you must transform into the type of person who naturally possesses such a vast amount of wealth. This is the fundamental principle behind this law. Interestingly, you do not even need to engage in the imaginary act to achieve it. The technique is simple. Repeat your new belief or assumption every night or whenever you feel like it. For example, you can affirm something like, I am effortlessly earning a reliable and substantial income by doing what I love. By practicing this approach, my income has increased tenfold. To attract the person I desired, I repeatedly affirmed that she couldn't live without me, and it eventually manifested into reality. Hence, the specific techniques you use are inconsequential. You can use any method that suits you, or even no method at all. The key is to be mindful of your beliefs and assumptions, and once you identify them, alter them according to your desires and persistently hold on to them. It is crucial to persist in your new assumptions, as I previously cautioned. Remember that this law is impartial and can have both positive and negative outcomes. Therefore, you must be cautious about the assumptions you make. If you persistently focus on your desired outcome, it will eventually come to fruition. However, keep in mind that in the process you will also transform and your reality will change accordingly. Therefore, it is important to be specific when expressing your desires. Instead of merely stating, "I want millions," it would be more beneficial to affirm, "I want a lavish income doing something I love." This way, you are more likely to achieve your desires without sacrificing your happiness and well-being. Remember, this law will give you what you want, but it may not always be in the way you expect. Thus, it is crucial to be mindful of your thoughts and assumptions. Focus only on the positive and beautiful aspects of life and avoid dwelling on negative news or others' drama. Everything that you give your attention to can influence your beliefs and ultimately manifest in your reality. You cannot stop this law from working, so you might as well use it to manifest your dreams and live an extraordinary life. I hope I delivered a good analysis of this idea by Neville Goddard. As he was a great mystic and writer in the previous century, his teachings have brought revolution and a complete change to the lives of millions of people. People who studied his teachings and applied them to their lives became successful in every part of their lives. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.